Hello, second grade. Thursday's number talk is always fun. It's actually a multi-grade one. So if you have a younger sibling or older sibling who goes to Highlands, they can actually do this number talk with you. So look closely right now at these penguins and this picture. All right, what do you notice and what do you wonder? So take a second, actually pause the video and either write down or tell someone what are you noticing. Once you've done that, write down what you're wondering. Some questions you could ask. They could be questions about the penguins or they could be math questions. All right, I hope at this point you've had a chance to write down or tell someone your wonderings and your noticings. Then you're going to go down here. And again, if you've got a kindergarten sibling with you, they can answer this question. Our first grade sibling. And you can see here, I'm going to move my box for a second so you can see it better. You can see here is our second grade question. These penguins are on the beach. Later in the day, more penguins come to join them. Now there are 32 penguins on the beach. How many penguins joined? Show and explain your reasoning. Now we always do a 3-look protocol. We think about it 3 different times. The first time we're going to just think about, what's happening in this story? Let's go back through it, and as we do, be thinking about what's happening in this story. These penguins are on the beach. Later in the day, more penguins come to join them. Now there are 32 penguins on the beach. How many penguins joined them? Show or explain your reasoning. Now here, take a moment and pause the video and either write down or tell someone what's happening in the story. What's going on? I'll give you a moment to pause and think about that. Now, if you've had a chance to think about what's happening in the story, then let's keep going with the video. All right, our next step is we're going to now think about what are the numbers in the story and what do they mean? So what are some numbers you're noticing? Maybe you're noticing that 32 penguins. What are you noticing in the picture as well? Again, pause the video and take a moment and think about what are some of the numbers and what do they mean? Now that you've thought about the numbers, the next step is to think about a strategy. How might you solve this problem? Now, again, there are tools right here. So if you want to use base 10 blocks, feel free. There's a link right there. Or there's a number line. Or, of course, you can use a different strategy. But think about what strategy are you going to try to solve this problem? Again, pause the video, see if you can come up with a strategy. All right, if you feel like you know what's happening in the story, you know what the numbers are and what they mean, and you've got a strategy in mind, get started on your work. And again, after you solve this, feel free to take a picture or do a video and send it to your teacher. We would love to see your thinking about these penguins, not only what you think the answer is, but most importantly, how did you solve it? What tools did you use? What strategy did you use? All right, get started on your work.